Awesome. Let's check out the quest book then. Let's make sure that it knows that we built the solar panel. Perfect. Let's claim the reward. And now that we have the battery, we can stick a battery in there, and we can use a battery to power machines. So let's just stick that on in there. So that will be nice. Yeah. I wonder what the different environmental boosts are that we might be able to get. But in the meantime, let's shear off some more sheep. Sheared. I guess I'll go in there because we want to get all of the wool that we can. All the wools. Only 13 though, so that's a little sad. Close. Fair enough. You guys are just gonna starve out here, you know that, right? There's not that much grass out here. Alright, let's see what we have next in our quest book. Making traveling easier. Ooh. Short-range telepads. That might be fantastic for us doing stuff. And we get 2 more for free afterwards. So let's see what we need for a short-range telepad. Alright, let's see. Alright, we need ender pearls, and we don't really have ender pearls. We also need titanium, which we need titanium ingots, which then we're going to need a bunch of stuff that we don't really have, I don't think. I mean titanium shards. Or I don't think we can make this as of yet. So I think we're going to have to go to a planet in order to learn teleportation. So that makes sense though. But storing power, energy storage module, that's always useful as well. Advanced solar power, that might be interesting at some point, but we might wait a little bit before we worry about that so much. Our launch controller, I think we might need that as well before we launch and everything. But let's see, exploring the universe. I guess we could start building the actual Tier 1 rocket. That would be good as well. So let's take a look and see what we need. So we filling oxygen tanks quest and getting protection. We are in the middle of getting protection, and we have the NASA workbench. So let's go Tier 1. We're going to need heavy duty plates and rocket fins and stuff. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Looks like we're going to need 23-ish heavy duty plates, and we need a ton of compressed steel for that. So we're just going to have to keep on getting our iron and such. So let's make a ton more iron, make a ton more steel. We could also start using railcraft to make steel as well. That would probably work fine, but that should be alright. Let's make the iron. Boom. Put this in here. And we'll put this right on in there. And that should be good. Get us some compressed steel. Let's throw in some more iron ingots into the smeltery. We have to get some more iron at some point as well, just because we need so much of it. Let's put away all of our knickknacks. Whatever this thing will take, we'll just plop in there. Fair enough. There should be some more room over here for building blocks. We'll keep the wool on us though. Egg will go perfectly in there. We don't really need 2 parachutes on us, but we will keep 1. We'll use the gray. Why not? We don't really need it here on the moon's surface, so we won't worry about that. Bronze helmet will do us fine. We'll put our backup parachute over here. And we might as well throw in some of the food, so we don't need all of that. Silver dust. How did we get silver dust? Oh, well, whatever. It's fine. Yeah. I think everything's going alright. So, yeah, we'll just wait for the sheep to grow some more wool. And we should also compress some of the other things that we need for the heavy-duty alloy. So let's see. We need bronze, so we can make bronze and more aluminum. So let's see all the aluminum we have. We should also probably make our smeltery bigger so we can smelt some more. So let's take the aluminum we have made up and we'll start compressing that. Oh, we've got a ton of steel ingots. Okay. Perfect. I think that might be good for that at least. So next we actually want to make bronze. So I think that's copper and tin. I'll double check first. 10 and copper, 3-to-1 ratio. Alright, so let's get some copper. We've got some tin. Do we have any more tin other than Galacticraft, or is that all we've got? I think that might be all we got. So we'll want to get some more tin at some point, but we will make do with what we got right now. We want to pour out all of this iron. So 38, we can get 4 blocks out of that pretty easily. So what we want, a 3-to-1 ratio. Actually, we might want to hurry and get that iron out because it might alloy. Hopefully not alloy. So we can at least take... Okay, so copper. We'll throw in some tin. Yeah, I think we'll want to turn in most of it, if not all, into there. And we'll pour the rest of it out if there's any left, because we want a lot of bronze. So let's take out this last iron. That should be fine for the time being. Wait for this to melt. Copper, 36 ingots. So we can at least add another 12 of the bronze, so that'll be about 50 or 48. Oh, 52. Perfect. So we can get 5 of these out of that. Alright, and then we can start compressing that as well. But it seems like we're getting fairly far along on headway, which is good. Alright, pour those two, get these two out, and then we will shear these sheep while we're here and available. I hear you, sheep. You want to help the cause and further us getting to the moon. We thank you for your service. Continue to eat and be merry. Wonderful. Those 2 renegade sheep. Ah. You're a loose cannon, sheepy. Okay. So let's make these bronze, and we'll check the compressor. We got 2 bronze ingots, so we'll just take those out for the aluminum, and those should be made. And once we do, we can have quite a good start on our heavy-duty plates, making the Tier 1 rocket, which is fantastic. And once we get the tier 1 rocket, that will be a nice... We'll need to... Oh, actually, we could probably launch from around here. Nice open space. Hopefully wouldn't kill the sheep, but that... Yeah, we could easily launch from here, most likely. So after we create the tier 1 rocket, we'll start on whatever this is. I think that might be fuel. Yes, because we're going to need to make rocket fuel. We'll also need a fuel loader and a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, this is exciting. Look at all these crazy ships in the future. Makes our tier 1 rocket look kind of weak in comparison. Oh yes, we wanted to make the heavy-duty tools as well. However, we might wait and do the spaceship first, because spaceships are cool. But let's see what we need to make a laser gun after we go to bed. Since we're heavily dependent on solar power, and it's morning. Awesome. Let's throw this ore back in there. Laser gun. Alright, laser gun. More planets we need. Oh, we need titanium before we can do the laser gun. That's fine. Yeah, we got the bronze being made. That is good for us. Let's see what else is in here. There is more tin. We should probably pour out a block of that at least, but we will go ahead and pour more copper in there because I'm guessing we're going to need more bronze ingots. So we're going to pour out another block or two, maybe 2 blocks, just because we want to have some tin available to us. So we'll pour those out. And whatever's left, we can make into bronze. We'll check on how far the bronze is coming in the compressor here shortly. Let's take a look at the sheep. How are the sheep doing? Nope, they're all, well, one of them is clothed. But we'll deal with you in a second. Boom. Compressor, how you doing? Alright, compressed bronze is going well. We'll wait until we get one more of those or so. We're gonna have to wait for more aluminum anyway. Alright, well actually, let's take a look and see if we have any aluminum ore. Silver, tungsten. Was that aluminum? Yes, it is. Perfect. I don't think aluminum alloys with anything, but we'll take a look at uses. Smelting. We want melting, whatever. Alright, so uses for aluminum. So, okay, it does with copper. That would be bad. We don't want aluminum brass. Let me make sure the copper's out of here. Or no. Snap. That sucks. Okay. Fair enough. Well, we've got a ton of aluminum brass. That is unfortunate. But what can you do, right? We can use it for tool forges and such. Yep. Let's pour out this copper and then we'll get more aluminum. That thing melted quick. Well, you live and you learn. I should have checked beforehand. Alright. Now, aluminum. Alright, that should be fine. And the aluminum brass, we can get out a ton of that. We'll figure out what we can use it for anyway. Oh well. Life goes on, as they say. Alright, so let's make some heavy duty plates. Use. Boom, boom, boom. Nope. Yep. Alright, so we need to do it in the ingot compressor. Steel, aluminum, bronze, spruce sapling. Alright. Aluminum. Bronze. Steel. Alright. Let's see how many that makes in the ingot compressor. Oh, just one for all 3 of them. Or all 6 of them. This will take a while. We're gonna need a lot more aluminum. We're gonna need a lot. Alright, well, we'll let that go. We can start pouring out aluminum. Probably want to deposit some more. I'll start pouring that out. We'll grab some more ingots. We'll grab more blocks. And then we will make that into more heavy-duty plates. And in the meantime, we'll fill up this hole down below. Not with wool, though. Actually, I guess we'll wait then, since I don't really have any blocks that I want to use. Right, let's see if we have any. I think it's melted, so let's see how much more that we have left. 43. Yeah, that should be good. But get 4 of them, maybe? Yeah. Let's pour this out. We'll also go get some more sheep real quick. Boom. Awesome. Let's go shear you guys. Wonderful. One's out, one's down. Boom. Boom. There you go. Thank you for your service. Alright, we got some aluminum. Let's go ahead and make this compressed. Alright, so we've got 6 of the 20 or so that we're going to need. Yeah, that's a little intense. Okay. So let's go on over here, and we'll put this inside of the NASA workbench. Actually, it's over here now. So we'll go ahead and do that. I think we're going to need 8 just for the body. Yep. We're also going to need fins, which require 3 or something a piece. 3 on top. We're just going to do that. Yeah, we got a ton of stuff. Oh, will it not stay in there? Back. Yep, I guess it won't stay in there. Well, you better not have swallowed up my heavy-duty plates. Uh-oh. That's no good. That's no good at all. Let's figure out what's going on. Oh, there they are. Okay, scared me for a second there. I was a little bit worried. Very little bit worried. But, I guess I can hold on to it. Though, it kind of stinks that it won't let you do it the right way, quote unquote. Okay. Compressor compressing. Bronze. So we should be able to make with this 5 more of the plates. And I think we might need more. So let's go to the rocket. Tier 1 rocket. Okay, we're probably going to want to put some of those on it as well. We're going to need 2 right there. Okay. Or 4. No, we can't make the creative one. 4, 8 times, so we're going to need a ton. 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and just the extraneous parts. So 20 for these. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we're going to need 31. Alright, so we're going to need 31 plates. Each plate needs 2 of the compressed things. So we're going to need at least 62 for that, and it takes 2 ingots to make 1 or 2 of these. Let's figure it out. 2 of them, so we're going to need 2 stacks of each of the metals, or sheesh. Alright, so we cannot take a break on making more iron and such, so let's go ahead and put these 36 into the metallurgic infuser. Or actually, we'll start making the enriched iron into that. We're going to have to go get more aluminum, unfortunately, because I messed up and smelted a ton of it that I shouldn't have, and made the wrong alloy or whatever. Okay, we've got 32 aluminum available, so that's a 1 stack, which is not going to be enough, I don't think. But we will go ahead and melt what we can of it. Aluminum. And then we'll need to go down and mine some more of it, unfortunately. We'll also need more bronze. Yeah. Well, after this is done, we will go ahead and put the steel in there as well. So much to do, so little time, right? How are we doing on the sheep? More sheep time. We love the sheep. Sheep make us happy. Sheep are love. Sheep are life. Alright. Let's head on to bed, and we'll get back to it in the morning.